Korean style hashbrowns. First, shred the 2 medium-sized potatoes. Using a chopper makes this task quick and easy. If you don't have a chopper, slice them thinly with a knife. Thinly slice 1 green onion. This is optional. Thinly slice a bit of onion. Place the sliced onion in a bowl. Add the potatoes. Add about half teaspoon of garlic salt and mix well. If you don't have a garlic salt, regular salt will work fine. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, squeeze out the excess water from the potatoes. A lot of water will come out. Add about 2 tablespoons of starch powder and the chopped green onion. Mix everything well. Heat a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Spread the potato mixture in the pan, leaving a space in the middle for the egg. Cover the pan with a lid and cook over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip the potato mixture. Remove the lid and cook for another 2 minutes over medium-low heat. After 2 minutes, add a little more oil and crack an egg into the space you left earlier. Season the egg with a pinch of salt and a little pepper. When the egg white is almost cooked, transfer to a plate. Korean-style hash browns is done. This dish is perfect for breakfast or brunch. The creamy egg yolk and savory potatoes are so delicious. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.